Hey everybody, today we're going to look at subtracting some fractions, algebraic fractions to be exact. And what I want to focus on is the red writing at the top, which shows us the technique for doing this. So if we look at that, we can see if we have two fractions, a over b minus c over d, what we do to subtract them is we multiply a by d in this direction, giving us this term, minus c times b in that direction, giving us this term, divided by the two denominators multiplied b times d in that direction. So if we move to example here, if we look at 3x minus 2 over 4 minus 2x minus 1 over 10, and if we apply the rule that we've just discussed, we multiply the 3x minus 2 by 10 minus the 2x minus 1 by 4 and divide that by 4 times 10. So that will give us 10 times 3x minus 2 minus, now when I'm multiplying 2x minus 1 by 4, that's the same as 4 times 2x minus 1. So I'm going to write it in the way I'm used to seeing, which is the number outside the bracket. So minus 4 times 2x minus 1 divided by 4 multiplied by 10. So I'm going to multiply out the top now of my expression, which is going to give me 10 times this minus 10 times that. And the second bracket I'm going to get minus 4 times 2x, and then my second term will be minus 4 times minus 1. So we need to be careful here at this stage when we're multiplying. So the first bracket is going to give me 30x minus 10 times 2 is 20. Now minus 4 times 2x is minus 8x, and minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4, divided by 4 times 10, which is 40. So I'm now going to simplify across the top here. So I'm going to deal with my x's. Now we'll notice that we're subtracting and adding. So the rules of subtracting and adding in algebra mean that we can only bring together things that are the same. So I'm going to start with the x's here. So 30x minus the 8x is going to give me 24x. And then I'm going to focus now on the numbers. So I've got minus 20 plus the 4. So that's going to give me minus 16. And I'm going to divide that by 40. Now, I can see straight away that I can factorize the top of my expression. So what I'm going to get is I'm going to take out a factor, a common factor, to all the numbers here. Now, if we notice, we've got 16, 24, and 40. 8 divides into all of those, so the common factor on the top is going to be 8. Now, I'm going to factorize, so what do I multiply 8 by to get the 24x here? So that's going to be a 3x minus an 8 times 2 is 16, divided by 40 is 8 times 5. So I can now cancel the 8's top and bottom, and that leaves me with 3x minus 2 divided by 5.